Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a Hanukkah themed cake. This goes kind of together with my bar mitzvah cake I made a little while back because a very good friend of mine is Jewish and I would like to celebrate her heritage as well. So this is for you, Rachel. We're making a Hanukkah cake today. Let's get started.
I start out stacking and frosting my cake. This is pumpkin spice cake and goat cream cheese frosting. I have to explain about the music. I wanted to include a Hanukkah song, but the only one I found was a bit too much for the background of a cake video. So I chose the Spells song, but I included the Hanukkah song at the end of the video. Then I cut a total of 9 lengths of wooden skewer. Then I rolled out some pale blue fondant. I started out by covering the skewer with just fondant, but it did not want to stick very well. I had to add edible glue. Then I tried painting the edible glue on the wood, but that didn't work that great either. And finally, I painted the edible glue on the fondant directly, and that worked the best. I also left a piece of wood sticking out of the bottom. I'm trying to make candles. Part of Hanukkah tradition is the lighting of the candles. 8 candles symbolize the number of days that the temple lantern miraculously blazed during the Maccabean rebellion. The 9th, the shamash, is a helper candle used to light the others. So we made 9 candles. But candles need flames, so I mixed yellow and orange fondant together and rolled balls and pinched one side into a point. Then I glued them onto the candles. I know this isn't the traditional formation of the Hanukkah candles, but this fit better on a round cake. You could use the same technique to make birthday candles for a cake. You can, of course, always use real candles. Then I rolled out some more blue fondant and used a cookie cutter to cut out some 6-pointed stars, also called Stars of David. I placed these on the side of the cake. Then I rolled out some more blue fondant and cut out the letters to spell the words Happy Hanukkah. I'm using the more common English spelling. I know there's more than one correct spelling. This is just the one I decided to go with. I placed the letters on the cake board. I like this cake. It's also a great reminder of the Maccabean rebellion and the miracle of the oil not failing. God still watches out for his people. For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for a new cake every week.
Hanukkah, oh Hanukkah, come light the menorah. Let's have a party, we'll all dance the hora. Gather around the table, we'll give you a treat. Said we don't mean to play with them like this. And while we are playing, the candles are burning low. One for each night they shed a sweet light to remind us of days long ago. Hanukkah, oh Hanukkah, come light the menorah. Let's have a party, we'll all dance the hora. Gather around the table, we'll give you a treat. Said we will need to play with them like just me. And while we are playing, the candles are burning low. shed a sweet light to remind us of days like